Hi, I'm Rebecca Kemp Brent. I'd like to show you a super way to attach narrow elastic. This is especially appropriate for a child's sleeve, someplace where you have the little ruffle down below the elastic. And ordinarily you'd have to stitch in a casing and then thread the elastic through. But this is a simple method to use the 3-step zigzag stitch on your sewing machine to do the same thing. On the back side of your fabric, we're just going to stitch the elastic down, and what I've done is I've pre-marked my elastic with a beginning and an end mark, and I'm going to match that end mark up with my seam line. We're sort of playing pretend. This is a sample fabric, but you'll get the idea. I'm going to match that beginning line up with the seam line on my fabric. Then at the machine, I'm going to choose the triple zigzag stitch, 3-step zigzag stitch, and we just lower the presser foot and start sewing right at that first mark. After you've sewn a couple of stitches, stretch your elastic to fit the fabric, and this little tab at the beginning I can grab hold so I'm pulling from both directions as I stitch. When I finish up, I have a perfectly gathered sleeve.